Hey world, just trying to see if I can, this is the second video for the repair of the condenser leak. Trying to see if I can get you to see the welds. They came out really sweet. So I'm trying to see if this camera will see if it'll focus on the welds. Hopefully it does. So I guess I'll see when I upload it what it comes out like, but welds came out pretty nice. See what I get here. Really hard to tell how the welds are going to come out on the camera when the camera screen is only 2 inch by 1.5 inches or something, maybe. So, let's see. But we'll have to see. This is just kind of an experimental video. But I think it's pretty good. So let's see. In here, how these came out. Anyways, this is like a 9-year-old refrigerator. Yeah, it was made 04. So, refrigerator combo, refrigerator freezer combo unit. So, anyhow. Alright, thanks for watching. This is, anyways, real close quarter weld there, man. Like, yeah, pretty darn close quarters. See if the zoom works. I don't think so. Not a good idea to use the zoom on the movie. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. Alright. Hopefully you liked the video. Alright. Take care, bye.